Okay, so this is just a very quick off-the-cuff video about the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I've been using it for a few days and I've been so impressed by the footage coming back from this that I wanted to test it against a much better camera. So what I've got here is a £3,500 body of the Panasonic S1H with a £1,000 lens with the that's the Canon L 16 to 35mm lens. So I tested this against that camera. Now if you compare the size difference, forget the drone, the camera itself and lens is just this tiny little thing here. It's about a 1 inch squared camera and lens against all of this. That's the equivalent. So I wanted to test it against this. Now all of the footage I did comparing these two was 4K 50 frames a second, and it was just on the standard mode. I didn't use D-Cine-like or RAW or anything like that on this because I wanted to get just the standard issue. So imagine what I could actually do with this with the D-Cine-like 10-bit. So when you see them, pay particular attention to the first clip, which was relatively low light, high ISO, and look at the shallow depth of field you get from this, which compares to the Canon L lens. I was blown away by that shot in particular. So enjoy that video, but before we do that, quick note to DJI. This lens at the moment, because it can go portrait mode, does a full 180 degree in my hand. So it's already halfway to doing a 360. So imagine if this lens, as you're flying along, could do a full barrel roll. You'll get some crazy effects, absolutely fantastic. Plus you could do some more funky kind of FPV style footage. Second thing is, because this camera is so good in normal conditions with the D-Cine-like and in low light, it would be great if the Mini 4 Pro had a detachable one that you could use on something like the Pocket, just a handheld camera. So you could land the drone, whip it off, and then just carry it around and use it in other scenarios. That would be absolutely fantastic. So go for that, DJI. That's it. Like I said, it's just a quick video. Have a look at the footage, see what you think. Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next video.